My name is Mr. Cool Job, and whenever I get bored, I just have to build something. Sitting still? Not my thing. So here's a little breakdown of what I've been working on. So, I wanted to build an industrial shredder. One small problem: I don't have a workshop. Solution: build it in my living room or the kitchen, wherever there's space. First, let's start with a simple sketch, because every masterpiece begins with a doodle. What could possibly go wrong? The frame? Yeah, it's been sitting in my backyard for months. The blue block of steel you see here is the reduction gearbox. I need this because the drive motor runs at 1500 RPM, way too fast. So I need this reduction gearbox to slow it down. Bonus, more torque. Oh, and these two together weigh a ton, literally, which means I need to reinforce the frame, thinking of using two steel tubes for extra support. For this project, I got myself a hoist, because lifting this beast by hand? Yeah, not happening. Like I said, the frame was already built. The shredder? Ordered from somewhere in China. Alright, the support tubes are cut to size. Now it's time to put everything together. Let's see if this plan actually works. As you can see, the gearbox is absolutely impossible to lift, especially alone. For a moment, I totally forgot that I bought a hoist just for this. Yeah, time to actually use it. And there it is, my first mistake. It doesn't fit at all. The drive shaft sticks out way too much. Looks like I didn't leave enough space. Okay, new plan. I'll flip the entire gearbox, putting the drive motor on top. A quick and simple fix should work perfectly, right? I am so glad I got this cable hoist. Lifting this by hand would have been a total nightmare. The new setup looks solid. Let's see if the drive motor actually fits. Now for the prep work on the drive shafts. My plan is to position them in a way that allows me to connect them using gears and a chain. The entire shredder needs to be lifted so I can install the gears. No problem, my hoist will handle it. Time to size the gears. How easy could this be? Believe me, so far, this has been the most time-consuming task. Just taking the gear apart was a nightmare. Nope, still not working. New attempt. Nope, still nothing. Another try. Still nothing. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. At this point, I might as well start questioning reality. There has to be a smarter way to do this. Time to rethink the approach. Time to get everything in the right position. This has been the most time-consuming task. Looks like everything is finally in the right position. Electra, not exactly my strongest skill. But first, time to sketch out how I'm going to make this work. My idea is to create a circuit that allows the motor to spin in both directions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button